Morning, good afternoon, good evening, as the case may be, wherever you are listening to me, or whatever time you are when you are listening to this video tutorial. In this screen record, that will be taking you how to use Canva app. Just introduction to using Canva app. At the beginning of this year, I told you I'll be giving you some little tutorials once in a while. So I'll be for this afternoon. Not we're in afternoon presently. I'll be showing you how to use Canva. You can use Canva app to design many things, mainly your flyers, invitation cards, many things. I'll be taking us through how to design simple flyers with Canva app. Canva app is a very good app. Like, I know most of us know how to use Canva already, but some don't know how to use it. So I'm taking us through. First thing first, if you don't have the app on your phone, you go to Play Store, then download the app. Once you download the app, in your own interface might be different from mine, because I think I have a pro version here, but yours might be free version. You can still do many things with the free version anyway. So you'll be going through this. I will be showing you how to design simple flyers on app. So for example, let me just take you through the app. These ones, all these designs, they are free templates you can use. You can use it to edit to your own taste. So I'll be doing 2 designs. These are for you now. In this tutorial, I'll be using one with already designed templates, so I'll be editing it. Then another one will be starting from the scratch. I'll be using one of my design to take you through that. So like I said, all these, they are free templates. They are free templates. This, if you want to, like, I mostly use, if you want to design, I mostly use Instagram template. Even if I want to design from the scratch, I use Instagram. So you have many ones. You want to post on Facebook, you can use this. If you are posting on Instagram, you have many designs here. So let me just pick one. Okay, let's start with the Instagram. This is Instagram post, Instagram stories, Instagram ads, reels, videos. You want to post on reels, stories. So I'll be posting. Let me use Instagram post. So let me pick one of the templates here. Okay, let's use this as Valentine is coming. Let's use this. It's loading. It's ready to load. Okay, maybe you're having a Valentine sales, or just want to design just a simple flyers to greet your customers, to greet your audience, maybe to wish your audience happy Valentine's or something, or you're having a sales. Let me see what this one intends. Okay, good. You got this, the already prepared templates you want to use. Let's just say we're having a sale. For example, these are 2 templates. Let's be using this. Let's say we're having a sale. For example, let me use my brand as example, and my brand color is teal green and custard yellow. One thing about maybe marketing or selling online, like, especially if you want to grow, maybe you do a lot of Instagram. One thing about, you have to have a brand color consistent. You need to be consistent with your brand color. Not that you use blue today, tomorrow you use green. You need to be consistent with your brand color. So my brand color I'll be using is sea green and custard yellow. So if you have a template, I already prepared templates, anyone you want to use, I think this one is skincare, this cream. So let me see. We have different, just you click on the image. As you can, as you are checking this rectangle, that's different segments we have. If I click here, so if I want to edit it, I click here. If I want to edit it, so you can edit it to your taste. I hope you are getting me. You can edit it to your taste. Let's start from here. And first thing first, I don't like this font. Let me say I don't like this font. Let me change. I want to change this font. So I click there on it. This Valentine's Day gift guide. I want to change the font. So you go to the down part of the phone on your screen. So you go to fonts. Go to fonts. I want to change the font. You can, if you like the font, you can leave it. But for me, I want to change it. So these are the different fonts we have. Let me see the one I can use from here. All these ones that has crown beside it, they are paid. So if you're on a free version, you might not be able to use them. But you still have a very good, fine ones that you can use, even with free version. Let me just pick one. Let's pick this. So as this, I might want to extend this, maybe to be on a straight line. If you check this triangle on this Valentine's Day gift, you see some points here. So that's where you can drag it if you want to increase, if you want to shift it, if you want to shift this, something is covering this day already. Excuse me. So if you want to shift it, you just hold it, just shift it to this side. But if you want to expand it, maybe you want it to be on the same line, you can do like shift it. You can just adjust it here. And another thing, maybe if you want to reduce the font size, for example, maybe you are looking at this, maybe it's big, you want to reduce it, you can just, let me go back, sorry, just click on font size here. You can just adjust here. Can you see it's reducing, increasing? You can just change it from there. So for this, I think let me leave it like this. And okay, let me change the text. As like I said, my brand color is, I want to change it to my brand color rather. So I'll be changing this one to yellow, custard yellow. So at this part again, you go to color. That's color. And you checked this my color. It's looking somehow faint. So if I want to increase the intensity, I go here, click on this blue icon. Let me go back, sorry. Color. We click on this. So these are where it is. Yeah. This round circle. So I can increase, I can change the color. Maybe I want it to be lighter. I can change it to get the accurate one I need. Okay, let me leave it like this. That's it. So let's assume I want to leave the design like this. If I want to change it, I can still change, but let's assume I'm just using this to explain already made template that you might use. So this one will make it your work maybe very, very fast. If you have it already made, you just edit it, you change your color, change your brand, you change the name, everything. Let's say I want to change this thing, Valentine's. If you want to edit, click on it. When you have this rectangle there, you go down again, click on edit. So you can edit whatever you have here. I want to change it. Valentine sales. Okay, let me see. Let me put Valentine sales. Am I correct? Valentine sales. Let me shift it. We want to Valentine sales. Then this is another lettering. Maybe I want to move it up or leave it there, and I want to edit it again. Get 50% discount on all other. This, okay, get 50% on all other from maybe 10th to 14th February 2022. And if you're okay with the font, you can leave it or you can change it. I think it's okay. Let's just leave it for the purpose of this tutorial and put it here. And for here, let's say you want to, this template I chose, I think it will be best for maybe skincare brand, because if you don't want that, or I can delete it. Just click on delete, then see delete image. If it's image I want to delete, if it's frame, let me delete image. Can you see I've deleted the image inside? It's made the frame is still there. So if I want to delete the frame too, I can just delete. So, but I don't want to delete, I just want to work on that. So I will click on here. This arrow pointing at the up at the left side of my phone there. You see the arrow pointing to the left. So that's to undo. If you want to undo, I'll click it. That's 1, 2. So it has come back. Anything you want to add, let me go back, sorry, to show you. Anything you want to add, you click on the plus icon, this purple plus icon at the bottom part of my phone. That's the left side. You click on it. So if I want to add image, let me say I want to add image. Then okay, go to gallery, my gallery. Okay, next I want to add this back. Next I want to add this back. Just okay, let me add this back. And let me try to, if I want to reduce it, it was bigger, so just try, you drag it like I explained earlier. If you want to reduce it, then if you want to increase it from here too, just drag it as you want it. Let me add another image. Let me add shoe this time around. Okay, let me add this. You can also increase it too. Let me see. This has automatically changed the background there. This has changed. So when you go through the app, you understand that more things. So this has changed the background. The background of this shoe has automatically changed. Let me just leave it like that. And if I want to use my brown color, I can change. I can use the background direct. So let's say I want to. Okay. I want to change the background to the tea green to change everything. So I'll go to the column, change it to this color. Okay, this is the color. As you can see, this is already pre-designed template that I'm using. So that's why you still have to give me this. I'm only changing this. If I want to edit, change this one too. If maybe I want to change everything to this color, I will have to click here, change the color again. But I don't want to change it. I think I'm okay with this. So if you want to change, you can. If you want to delete this or leave it or drag it, you can drag it. You can leave it. You can leave it from there. Let me delete this. So if you want to delete any, you can delete. If I want to delete this one, I can delete it too. Can you see? But let me just leave it. I want to change the color of these letters. Let me change the color. Anything you want to change the color, just click on it and change it. Let me change the letter quality. Yes, affordable. Let's change it. Let me change the color to white. So that's just a little. This is just this thing is about creativity. So you can be creative more than this. This is just to take you through simple design. Not to take so long, much time on this. Let me go to, if you want to design from the scratch, you don't want to use any templates from the Canva app. You want to design your own work, and if you are designing, it's very, very easy. It's very difficult maybe to design from the scratch yourself. You have to have a picture you want to use. Maybe you see a design that you like, that you want to duplicate it. Maybe you want to design something related, not really similar to it, not to just copy exactly, but you can just have a picture at the back of your mind that you are working with. So I'll be going through that now today. Let's just stop here. So if you want to see add, but if you want to add, even if you want to add your picture, your product picture, don't let it be too much. I'm only using this to explain how to use the templates, already designed templates. You can have more final templates on the app like this one. I just use this one to explain. But for my own, I always prefer to design my flyers, maybe my flyer from the scratch. So if you want to save this, like I said, this one is 2 pages, but I don't need this one. I'll be deleting it. I only use this one to explain to you. So if you want to save your work, just click on the arrow pointing down. You see 2 arrows at the right hand of your screen. That's the first one that is pointing down. Click on it. And my image is preparing. You wait to save. If I want to really design it, it's just that this one is just to explain things to you. If I want to design it, I'll make it more final than this. So it's my work is saved already. So to check your work, you go to your gallery. So you see your work. You see the work on the app, on Canva, other album. You see it there. This is it. On the Canva album. This is the work we just did. These are some works I've done on the Canva app. These are some I've done. So now we'll be going to how to design from the scratch. So head on to your Canva app again. Let's delete this. Let me take it from the start. This is home. We go to home. But if you want to see the design you have already done, these are the ones I've done before. These are the ones I've done before. So you go to home. Then let's design from the scratch now. I can design from the scratch. Bring it to that's the home. Click on home, then you click on Instagram posts. Anyone you want to use, you can click on Facebook, any design, logo, certificates, flyers. You can click on anyone, but me, I like using Instagram posts. So these are or these are templates too that you can use, already designed one that you can use. So I'll be clicking on the blank, and like I said, if you want to design from the scratch, you need to have a foreknowledge of how you want your design to be. So I'll be showing you how I design one of my flyers, one of the design I made. I'll be using it to take you through this class. So I'll click on the blank. This is a blank. I've extended some of this to you then, but I'll be extending some. So I said if you want to add anything, you just click on this plus arrow. That's the plus sign, the purple one. Then I want to, first thing first, I said you need to have something that you want to, let's say maybe something you want to copy or something you want to design at the back of your mind. So I'll bring the image I want to design, I'll bring it first. So I'll go to my gallery, send the picture, the design. I want to take you through how I designed this. So you bring the design you want to check here. Since you want to be working on this, so you can reduce it, so just drag it to one part here. So first thing first, it's this, learn how to edit picture image like a professional. So you click on the plus icon, then go to text, this text, you click on it. For the text, we have 3 different types. For the add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text. What this one means is, the first one, if you want, maybe you want your lettering to be very big, you can use that first one, then the second. But for this, let me use the first one. That's, you click it, then it bring this here. You click on edit, learn how to, then start writing. Learn how to edit picture image like a professional. Can you see? So you need to edit this. Like I said, all this circle line at the tip, that's what you use to increase or decrease your this thing. So if I would like to reduce this, then drag it like this. These two, if you click on it, these two, this one is to move it. If you want to move it from where it is, this other one, if you want to rotate, this rotator, but we are not rotating now, so let's just leave it. We are not rotating. Let me go back. Okay, we are not rotating. If you want to how to edit picture image, we want to have something exactly like what we have here. Let's continue, sorry. And for this, we want to have exact things of what we have here, even if it's not exact, at least very close to. So for this, we are using, for this whole thing, we are using this just space. So we need to learn how to manage it. Learn how to, and for the how to edit, if you want to edit the image again, you just double click it. And what we have here is learn how to edit. It's on the first picture. Then you can bring this one down. like a professional. Okay, the next thing is to change the font. So have this one we have here. To change the font, let's go to fonts. I need to change the fonts. Which font do I use here? I think this is explain this. For this, if you want to underline you want to change the lettering. If you want to align it. You want to align it to the middle, to the right. So if you want this, for this you want to put bullets. This 1, 2, 3. If you just go through the app, you understand better. Let me just go back. Okay, let's leave it here. I think I'll still have to do this later, but let's just do it now. I need to align it to the left. So let me increase the font size. Okay. Let me increase the font size. I think this is I've underlined it too, so I have to undo that. I don't need to underline. So that one, we are done with that. Then the next one is with your iPhone or Android. So you click on the plus icon too. Yeah, you know this one. It's we use the subheading instead of the. You know that first one is the lettering is bigger, so let's use the subheading here. So bring it here. We edit it again with your iPhone or Android. With your iPhone or with your iPhone or Android. Okay, this is what you have. Then we increase it, bring it here. You can either drag the whole image you want to drag, or you use this if you want to put it up. This arrow pointing up, down, left and right. You use it to drag it, or you can just drag it directly like this. So let's change the font to something like this or close to Alien Regular. No. Anonymous Pro. Let's leave it like this. So for here we can still edit it. And you can change the font size too. So iPhone or phone. the iPhone or Android. Let's just leave it to this like this. Let's just leave it like this for now. Then the next one is first 20 people. First thing first, we first bring this scale shape. We click on the plus icon too. Then we'll go to elements. We click elements, then bring out the shape. We have different shapes here. Can get different shapes from lines and shapes. These are the ones I used recently. So I'll click on this shape. You know the color here is yellow, so I can drag it to reduce it. Let me now reduce it first. Let's change the color first. So this color. Then for the image inside, first 20 people, click on the plus icon again and go to text. Let's use this. First 20 people, 1,000. First 20 people, 1,000. So we bring it here. Let's just bring this here first. Then reduce it. Let's drag this. And this first one, let's change the fonts. To change the fonts, agent. I think this agent is okay. Then I need to broaden it. Yeah. Let's change first. Then just drag it here, put it inside. And you can still reduce this scale shape. Then we are getting there. So this, you drag this up. For this, the next thing is let's add the image first. Let's add the image. No, let's do this bonus how to edit video using just one free app. Now go to the plus icon. How to edit video using just one free app. Hey, sorry, want to first before let's just leave this on one side like this. Before this, you need to bring this rectangle here. You know there is one rectangle that we write this thing on. So you click on the plus icon too. Then you go to elements. You go to elements. You click on the scale and you can drag it and turn it to rectangle so as you want. I think let me bring this one down first. Let's drag. Okay. Okay, let's just leave it like this. Okay, let's leave it. Then we're changing it to black color. Click on black. Then we'll be changing this letter. We'll be changing it to white. White color. So you know the background is white, so that's why it's not visible. When we put it on the black, it will change. Let me adjust it first. Can you see? Then we change the font too. Let's change the font. I think this is okay. Okay, this is okay. Let's just leave it. It's like the okay. We are getting there bit by bit. How's 20 people? 1,000. Then I'll be pausing this video now to bring the picture, because the picture I'll have to look for it where it is first. I'll pause it and then I'll resume it. I don't want the video to be too lengthy. So to add the image, this is the image. You click on, you know how we do it now. Let me do it again. Click on this thing, then click on the gallery. This is the image. So this is what we are working on. Let me drag it down. So this is the image. Let me put this one here. Okay. This is what we are working on. As you can see from this, we have the image. The image covers the whole space. So just be careful so you don't cut the head. Okay. Let's drag this here. Let me put this on here. Okay. Okay. We are done with adding the image. Let me draw it down a bit. So what else? We have the before and after. Like I was saying, so we change this to the color tea blue. So first thing first, we bring the rectangle shape. This scale will turn into rectangle by dragging it. dragging it like this. I'll put this on here. Let's change the color.
Mommy, not change the color.
Drag it here.
Mommy, not drag it. If you're dragging, I'll not play with you.
Okay, I think we are getting some. Okay. No, drag it. Stop it. Let me drag this away. Sorry. So we change the color. Then I change the color. For this, okay, for the before and after, I'll click on this to select text. Before. Change fonts. Okay, then this. Change the font. Change the fonts. I think I can use this. Let me just put the after to another. Like this after. So the before it be brought here. So we change the. We change it to. You know, we are using that's white color. That's why it's not showing there. So we have to change the lettering to black color. Can you see? I think we are getting something close. Let me check. Before. Okay. I can put the name. Can increase it. Before. Before. This is before. Then the after two. Let's change the color to black. Then font size increase. Okay. Let's check what we have here. Let's check what we have here. So if you notice under that after, we have another white color for the. We have white background. So we're bringing another rectangle. We're bringing another rectangle here. We have to reduce it. bring it here. Bring it here. To put the after. Let me change this font so as to fit in. Okay, we change this color. I will change the color to white, I think. So bring the after here. Can you see we are going somewhere already? We are getting there already. So I think you can still increase the fonts. Might not get exactly, especially those fonts, might not be exact what we use here, that we are using, but at least it's close to, just to explain what. Okay, that's the after. I'll see decrease it. Okay, then for here we have black color. We have click on the link in my bio to order and pay directly with you. Let me click here and then go to text. Click on the link, edit. Click on the link in my bio. Click on the link in my bio. In my to order. I'll pay directly into $306,998,588. First Bank. First Bank. Akande DB. Akande DB. I hope you are following. As you keep practicing, you get it. It's very simple. Then we change the color. We change the color to black. We'll bring it here. And we can change the. We change the fonts. Let's just leave it here. This is also fine. Then another one here. We have another one. Send proof of payments. Send proof of payments. Sorry. Okay, send proof of payment to. And click on this again. Go to text. Go to text. Send proof of payment to. Edit. Hope you are following me. Oh. Edit. Okay. Click on edit again. Send proof of payment to. To 080 37 534418. Then bring the text. Bring the text down. Always drag it to increase it or to reduce it. Send proof of payment to. Okay, I will change the font to. This is okay. I just try to shift. Change the font size to fit in. So I think let me delete this. The one we are working so that we have what we see what we have. This is what we have. Can you note any visible difference between that one and this? There is not much difference. It's looking exactly like that. So that's how to design simple flyers. This is just simple flyers with Canva. You can design many other things. So just go through the app and explore and do practice. Practice make perfection, and be creative in your design. And note that anytime you want to describe a design from scratch, have something you are working with. Maybe you have one of a particular work you want your this to do like this. I just use this to explain how it is. You can be creative in your own way. So that's how to edit to make simple design with Canva. Thank you for watching to the end. See you in the next tutorial. I remain Bukola. Thank you. Bye bye.